Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great week so far. Welcome to my new filming space. If you've seen my video last week, you will see that I moved house and now have a new setup for my beauty and makeup. That also includes having a new space to film. I am now filming in our spare bedroom because I used to previously film in our bedroom. The only problem with this space is it's very hot. And for anyone in the UK or anyone who knows, we are currently experiencing a heat wave, and this is a small room with not much air, and we live by a main road so you can hear traffic going by. I currently have the windows shut. I'm hoping you can't hear too much traffic, but apologies if you can. The heat of the light isn't helping. For again, anyone else who watched last week's video, which I will link below or in the cards, I did manage to somehow lose my tripod and my light in the move, so I have purchased a new one which is a lot brighter than my old one, so now I'm a bit self-conscious of all my flaws, but it is also a hot light. So bear with me. I'm hoping this new setup's good. I obviously won't be able to tell until I watch the playback, so fingers crossed it is good, but this is kind of my trial video. With regards to my recent giveaway, my 100 subscriber giveaway, thank you for all the support and all the subscribers that I've had since my channel started, and this giveaway is now closed. At the point I'm filming this, I have emailed the winner. I think I emailed her last Friday, which was the 6th of July. As of yet, I haven't had a response. As soon as I have had a response and the winner's confirmed and things, I will obviously confirm it on here. At the point I'm posting this, if she has come back to me, I will put her name in the description box below. If not, bear with me because she does have until Friday to respond, which is usually when I upload my videos, so it might cross over slightly in that my video gets uploaded and I either do or don't get a response, at which point the generator or I will pick another winner and I will email you. Anyway, on to what today's video is about, and it is the Look Fantastic unboxing for this month. And this is really nice packaging this month for gold and black. And I currently have my nail varnishes stored in one of these boxes because they're a really good sized box. But the one I'm using is bright pink and orange, so I'm thinking I might swap it out for this one because this one's a bit more sleek looking. This is the last one that I've received as part of the 3-month subscription that I signed up to. As of yet, I'm undecided whether to renew the subscription or to cancel it, but I've got a couple of weeks to decide. So at the moment I'm leaning towards unsubscribe, but I am enjoying getting a subscription box, so I don't want to not have one to fall back on. There's just not that many good ones available in the UK. They're all kind of one and the same in that you get tiny samples, which is not the best. I did actually stumble across one online the other day which looks like it's only setting up this month, called Makeup Only Please, or MOP for short. If anyone has heard of this or heard whether to steer clear of it, please let me know in the comments below, because at the moment I am thinking I might give that one a go. It is £24 a month, so it is more expensive than all the ones we currently have in the UK, being Glossybox, Birchbox and Look Fantastic, which all range between £10 and £15 a month. With it being £24, I don't know if it's trying to be the UK equivalent of BoxyCharm. I need to do a bit more research into it, but so far I've only been able to find their actual website, which obviously is only going to say good things. So anyone has any feedback, let me know in the comments, or if you want to recommend an alternative UK based subscription box because I can't get BoxyCharm or Ipsy, that would be great. So on to what is in this month's box. Here we have the book that comes with it. As I've said in previous months, I don't like the fact that they don't include the full-size prices in here, they just tell you what's in it. I suppose it's good they tell you what's in it, but I'd like to know the price of things without having to research it myself. This also comes in as a very good fan for hot flush moments. This month's Elle magazine with Amanda Seyfried on the front, so I will have a little read of that. So underneath the tissue paper, first thing we have is this Kerastase, I think that's how you say it, shampoo, and it is a multi-protecting shampoo for colour treated or highlighted hair, which is perfect for me. I know this is a rather pricey brand, and I think a full-size bottle is about £15, or it used to be. So I'm looking forward to trying this to give it a go. because the shampoo I currently use is not for colour treated hair, and I do want to try and preserve my colour as long as possible. And this is quite a good size sample. It's 80 millilitres, so I will get a good few washes out of this. But I kind of hope I don't like it, because my current shampoo is £1 a bottle. I don't want to start spending £15 a bottle. The next thing is this Omega Hydrating Oil by Lancer. It says on the side, this lightweight balancing oil with 10% ferment complex delivers essential hydration, fatty acids, polyphenols and antioxidants to the skin, promoting a softer, healthier looking complexion for all skin types. Oh, okay, it's a little oil bottle. Very cute with the little dropper. I haven't actually tried a facial oil yet, so I am quite intrigued to try this. But I'm not too sure if I like it, because I'm not a big fan of oil or greasy things. Like, I don't like really greasy moisturisers. So to me an oil is going to feel quite greasy, but I will give it a go. Next we have this Sebia Clear Gel, which says it is a purifying and exfoliating soap-free cleanser. That is a really small sample for a cleanser. It's only 10 millilitres. I can't see myself getting many washes out of this, but it does feel nice on the skin, so I'll give that a little go. Could probably be done with that in a day or two. Next we have this UV Bronze Nutri-Soothing Tan Booster Gel, and this is by Filorga. They're not helping me with the names of these brands this month. So this says it's a tan stimulator. So does that mean it's a false tan? I need to look at the book for this one. Okay, so it says it's an After Sun. A triple action gel to oil formula with light refreshing texture that pacifies and calms the skin after a tanning session by the pool. So it's an After Sun, but it's also a tan stimulator. I'm actually very keen to try this actually, because as I say, during this heat wave we have had a bit of sun, so I've managed to get a bit of colour on my shoulders and on my face and things, but I'm generally a pale person, so as soon as the sun disappears for more than a week I am back to being white as a sheet. So if I can keep it going for a lot longer, I'll definitely give this one a go. The next thing is this Douce, I think that's how you say it, D-O-U-C-C-E highlighter. I think we've had something from them in another subscription box. I want to say I received a lip product in Birchbox not that long ago, which wasn't too bad of a product. This is a sort of pinky beige highlighter with slightly weird packaging. It's a bit... Okay, you have to slide off the lid, which is very fiddly. I'd like to be able to just flip it off if I can, but it looks quite pretty. Let's give it a... It's like a goldy shimmery highlighter. The initial touch was quite chalky, and it does seem to... It's kind of blending away to nothing. So it would be a very, very subtle highlighter. It may be buildable. It's leaving like a very subtle glow, but I will give it a go. At the moment I'm really loving the Balm Mary Luminizer, I think it is. And the final product is a facial cleanser by First Aid Beauty. I've seen this pop up recently on a lot of YouTubers' videos, and it is actually a brand I have been wanting to try. It's an antioxidant booster. It removes surface oils, makeup, dirt and grime, safe for sensitive skin. I think this is quite a pricey brand as well, and this is a slightly bigger sample than the other one they gave us, so I think I want to try this one first because I've heard of this brand and it is legitimately something I wanted to try, but was probably never going to get round to purchasing myself because of the price. So very happy that they sent that over. So that's it for the contents of this box, and we have received 2 facial cleansers, a shampoo, an After Sun highlighter and some facial oils. I'm probably excited to try half of the products in here. I've had worse boxes, so looking forward to trying the shampoo, First Aid Beauty facial cleanser and the After Sun. Not too bothered about these because I don't really need any more highlighters. I'm not that into oils and this is a tiny sample of a facial cleanser. So I'm still kind of on the fence whether to carry on or to cancel it or not. I might have a look around, see if I can get any voucher codes or something like that for a discount maybe, because I don't really want to sign up for another 3 months to get it cheaper, because if you go month by month it's £15 a month, if you go for 3 months it's £14.50. So it's not the worst subscription. I do think that Birchbox is slightly worse. I did 2 months ago get suckered into subscribing to Birchbox again because I got sent a code for 3 for 2 boxes, so I paid for 2 and I've got 3 months worth. The first box arrived and was very disappointing. The second box arrived and was okay. I think I'm still got 1 more box to come, but I've not bothered filming videos for that because the contents have just been meh. So I have got 1 more box to come from Birchbox, I believe. I can film a video for that if you would like to see what is contained, because it will be the July box, I think. I think I've had May and June. But it will just be kind of a standalone thing because I don't think I'm going to be carrying on with that because it is as rubbish as I remembered it to be. But let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see the contents of that. So that is it for this Look Fantastic unboxing. As I said before, check the subscription box below to see if the giveaway winner has been announced. But definitely stay tuned on my channel because I plan to do another giveaway at 175 subscribers and then a further one at 200 subscribers. So please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Thanks.